Cheap gaming keyboards are a godsend if you want a reliable plank without breaking the bank. And sure, they won't be as high quality as the premium decks that cost several $100s or pounds. Let's go. Number 6, SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL Keyboard. Every aspect of the Prime Plus mouse was meticulously designed with a single goal in mind: victory. Co-developed with the world's leading competitive players, the Prime Plus mouse has a battle-tested shape, lightweight form factor, hyper-durable design, textured matte finish, eSports Pro sensor performance, and full onboard customization. Choose from brilliant rainbow RGB effects and personalize the illumination to match any style. Low-friction switches for near-silent use and unmatched durability, with performance guaranteed for over 20 million key presses. Engineered in the form factor of choice among esports pros and packed with SteelSeries cutting-edge gaming technology, the Apex 3 TKL will give you an edge over. SteelSeries has fueled the gaming industry for over 20 years by creating innovative new products, designed specifically for esports and passionate gamers everywhere. Your competition. Number 5, Klim Chroma Wireless Keyboard. Plug the USB receiver and use the keyboard instantly, up to 30 feet away. No need to install any drivers. Use the keyboard for many days thanks to its integrated rechargeable battery and save on disposable ones. Bring your desktop to life. Select static or breathing mode, or disable the lights completely if you prefer. Note, colors are not customizable. The frame is made with highly resistant ABS plastic and the keycaps feature a special coating to protect the keyboard for many years. We offer 24/7 support and a reliable 5-year warranty. Its soft membrane keys are quieter than the average keyboard and provide excellent feedback as you type. The occasional spill happens to the best of us, but don't worry. The KLM Chroma Wireless is resistant to water splashes. Number 4, Havit Mechanical Keyboard. Both keyboard and mouse with RGB lighting effect, 14 backlit modes gaming keyboard, and 7 color effect gaming mouse create a cool and colorful game atmosphere to enhance the excitement of the game. Best for PC games. With an all-metal panel and floating keys design, the keys of the keyboard trigger sensitively. All 104 keys have individual switches with full N-key rollover. Gaming mice with 6 dots per inch levels available from 800/1600/2400/3200/4000/4800 can easily adjust the dots per inch to match the mouse speed instantly for different game scenarios. Ergonomic keyboard with detachable wrist rest and smooth mouse, plug and play. Compatibility with Windows 2000/Vista/Win 7/Win 8/Win 10/Mac/4 Linux gaming PC. Any other functions of the keyboard will not be workable when you enter into recording mode. Number 3, HyperX Alloy Core RGB. Featuring HyperX's signature radiant light bar and smooth, dynamic RGB lighting effects, the HyperX Alloy Core RGB is ideal for gamers looking to enhance their keyboard style and performance without breaking the bank. With 6 different lighting effects and 3 brightness levels, it balances both brilliance and budget. Crafted with a durable, reinforced plastic frame, the Alloy Core RGB was constructed for stability and reliability for gamers who want a keyboard that will last. The soft touch keys have a tactile feel, yet are tuned to be quiet, and they also feature gaming-grade anti-ghosting functionality and key rollover. It's spill-resistant and tested to withstand 120 milliliters of liquid, so beverage accidents won't put an end to your game. The dedicated media controls and quick access buttons for lighting and game mode place control right at your fingertips. Keyboard lock allows you to lock your keyboard down without having to put. Number 2, Razer Cynosa V2. For the true taste of full-blown RGB gaming, look no further than the Razer Cynosa V2. With individually backlit gaming keys powered by Razer Chroma RGB, customize the keyboard to your heart's content and enjoy a new level of gaming immersion made possible by dynamic lighting effects. Complete your setup with the full lineup for the ultimate gaming experience from the #1 best-selling gaming peripherals manufacturer in the US via NPD Group Inc., 2017 to 2021. The Razer Cynosa V2 is super comfortable to use and has a low sound profile, with per-key lighting. Built to withstand most accidental liquid splashes. Supports up to 80 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Able to execute up to 10 commands at the same time with built-in key rollover anti-ghosting. Number 1, Corsair K55 Pro. The Corsair K55 RGB Pro gaming keyboard lights up your desktop with 5-zone dynamic RGB backlighting and powers up your gameplay with 6 easy-to-set-up dedicated macro keys. The K55 RGB Pro is certified for IP42 dust and spill resistance to stand up to wear, tear, and more, with a detachable palm rest to ensure all-day comfort, win after win. Corsair ISO's software enables vivid dynamic RGB lighting control, sophisticated macro programming, and full system lighting synchronization across compatible Corsair peripherals, coolers, fans, and more. Activate functions, shortcuts, or key presses in just one stroke with 6 dedicated macro keys, easily set up through Corsair ICUE software, or use instant streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software. Quiet and responsive keys offer comfortable typing during both work and play, with a tactile bump for responsive gaming performance. A soft rubber detachable palm rest reduces stress on your hands so you can play longer in comfort, with a textured surface to keep your hands from slipping.